Good evening. Thank you for watching this short video. I've compiled a few phrases in Chuukese to help anyone, but most specifically for medical professionals who have patients who speak the language of Chuukese or who are from Chuuk. I thank you all nurses, healthcare professionals, for doing your best and for taking wonderful care of the patients you do. And a special shout out to Erica, who works in hospice somewhere. I didn't check where she worked or asked, but she did message me on Chuukese Medic. Thank you so much for going that extra step to find somebody or some ways you can help your patients. So thank you very much for that, Erica. So sorry, I'm gonna look down to my notebook here that I wrote some of these phrases. So I'm gonna start with, are you doing well? En mi pajakun. Are you in pain? En mi metek. How are you? Ifausum. How can I help you? Ubwe erisuk. Ubwe erisuk. Is that okay? Met miöche. Mior metoch mi ngaukuruk. Ren safe ike sokun moga. Any allergies to medicine or food? What brings you in today? Met popun eto rech ikirei. What hurts? Yan evetekia. Point to where it hurts. Attaba ikira emetekia. When did this happen? Iret ebopude. Do you take any medications? En mi ukun sefi. Do you smoke? En mi ukun suba. Have you had any surgeries? En mi bin rei. Do you drink alcohol? En mi ukun sakau. Do you have diabetes? En mi semwerin suge. Do you have heart problems? En mi semwerin ngasagas. Do you have high blood pressure? En mi fetetsa. So these are just some of the short phrases that I could come up with. If you have any other phrases you'd like us or like me to try and translate for you, please shoot me up on Facebook or YouTube. Facebook Chuukese Medic, or on YouTube as Chuukese Medic. We're also on Instagram as Chuukese Medic. So please message us at any of those platforms. Again, thank you all nurses and healthcare providers for the continued wonderful work you do out there. Y'all stay safe and take care always. Thank you.